lesson.
Thanks, but you won.
Still, it's both of our best times.
You always win.
Well, that's just because I practice.
I practice too.
Every day?
Well, every other day.
Christine, you can't be the best by practicing every other day.
I know. I just don't like racing as much as you.
Well, what do you love?
Video games.
Video games are cool too.
Yeah, but Miss Pettybottom doesn't think so.
Well, she's our coach. She doesn't understand.
I guess you're right.
It's okay that you don't like racing as much. Do what you love.
You're right. Hello, girls.
Hello, Mrs. Pettybottom.
How are you today?
Great.
I trust you have been practicing?
Yep, best times yet.
Well, that is wonderful because I have a surprise for you.
What is it? What is it?
Well, it's time for the Big Magic Race.
Yay!
Big Magic Race? Exactly right, Christine, my dear. What is it? Only the most intense.
Oh.
Most amazing.
Yes, yes.
Most magical. Race in the Magic Kingdom.
Cool.
With a big prize.
What's the prize?
Why, it's... let's see. Ah, yes, a Game Box 3000. The Game Box 3000?
What's that?
It's the coolest, bestest, most awesomest gaming system ever!
Whoa, I don't understand. Seems fun.
It's more than fun. It's every gamer's dream. How do we win it? How do we win it? Well, you have to win the race, of course. Oh. Well, toodaloo. I'll never win the big race.
Let's go to the big race.
Why, hello, princesses.
Hello again, Miss Pettybottom.
Are you ready for the big race?
Yeah.
Great. It's simple. First, you get set. Then, you use your magic to conjure up some cars. You drive those cars down to the cones. You get out. Then you get your respective animals out of the tree and drive back. Whoever does it the fastest wins. Good luck.
Cool. I'm gonna go get ready.
Lila? What's up? I'm just nervous.
It's just a race.
I know. I just really want that game box.
Well, I'm gonna go get ready.
I'm gonna clean my wand. Do you want me to clean yours?
Sure.
Thanks. I have to win this race, even if that means making Lila have to lose. Okay, ready, girls? Ready as I'll ever be.
Oh, before we go, Christine, can I have my wand back?
Sure.
Thanks.
Great. On your marks. Get set. Go!
What? Oh, come on.
Okay, come on, Kitty. No. Oh no! What? What in the world? We won!
Whoa! Never remembered that ledge on the car before. Oh. Sorry, Kitty.
I won! Woohoo! That's right, you did win, Christine.
Good job, Christine. I must have just had a bad day.
It's okay, we all have them. So, where's my prize?
It's right here.
Wow. This prize belongs to the true winner. Whoever holds it gets to keep it. Gimme, gimme, gimme. winner can keep it.
What? But I won.
Did you win, truly?
Huh?
Oh.
What does she mean, Christine?
I cheated.
You cheated?
But why? What's going on, Christine? I just wanted to win so bad.
That you cheated?
I wanted the Game Box 3000, but I knew if we raced, you would win. So I tried to trick your wand, but you're so good you almost beat me. So you cast a bubble spell. Yeah. I'm sorry, Lila. That wasn't okay. I don't deserve it. And I'm sorry, Miss Pettybottom. That wasn't okay.
I know, Christine, you don't like racing, but I just want you to be happy.
I didn't know you didn't like racing, Christine. It's so intense. Well, if you didn't like something, you should have told me. Really? Of course. You don't have to race if you don't want to. Oh, I thought it was a part of being a true princess. Races aren't important. If you want to be a true princess, live a good life. What do you like to do? Video games? I love video games.
What?
Ooh, high score.
Click to subscribe or watch more videos.